Alright, my people, no be small something, oh, now welcome back onto this channel. No be small something still on the matter. Yoruba Nation, no going back here. Exactly waiting the bill and exactly waiting the people still they talk about. Alright, onto this one, I don't carry another Ogbonge one where we say, right. Now, everybody needed to wake up onto this level. Everybody need to wake up onto waiting the shop for inside the Yoruba land. Now we dey talk this thing since some people think say we just dey joke, some people think say we just dey play. Now the Fulani people don come outside and they don't talk many things. This one no be say them say everything na legit na waiting dey sup. Okay, now these Fulani people don't come outside come dey talk say like this all those things wey be say those governors they tell them say make them carry their cow, make them go graze their cow for somewhere, make them no enter Yoruba land. This Fulani people don't come outside onto this one. They come they talk am say like this so make all those governors make them go sit down. Say be like say those governors no know waiting them they do abi. It be like say those governors no know say them just be ordinary gardener for them. Say because their forefather don't tell them say all the Yoruba land now them get say as the Yoruba land be so now then get it everything. Say that is why them go always they enter their land. That is why then they buy anybody will be say they see for their fatherland we won't do farm. Now everybody don't come they say which kind thing be this which kind thing be this we be say this a Fulani go just come outside to come they talk this biggie word. This one are insulting for the part of the Yoruba people. But my brother, my sister, this one no be play. This one no be share. This one na the thing we be say it dey jarring for everywhere. I know say some people if you don't hear this one, but my brother, my sister, I need to still let on know for the purpose of the people we be say then they hear this one for the first time. Now this one wey be say they happen for Ilu Ilora wey be say the KBAC don't talk. He say make all the Fulani people make them carry their load, make them come out. Now onto this level, now in this one for come outside wey be say the Fulani can say wait on now they talk self. Why una go say make we come out for our own fatherland? Say whether the Yoruba people no know say na them wey be Fulani na them get Yoruba land. Say their forefather don't tell them say Yoruba land na their own. Say all this governor where una they see all this Yoruba governor from Governor Seyi Makinde, from governor of Ondo State, from governor of Ondo State, this man we just enter now, for the governor of Lagos State, for the governor of Ekiti State, for the governor of Ogun State, all of them all together say them be gardener for this Yoruba land. Say they help them. In fact, if they say somebody na gardener, you know what he mean? Somebody will be say maybe you get garden, somebody will be say come dey on top will be say na in they supervise the garden, na in they call the gardener. Okay, and then some people go see call and say abi na caretaker they come be something like that. They fit still call them caretaker. Now waiting the jarring be that too. Now all the Yoruba people don't come outside say which kind thing be this? Iru kilele yi Ọlọ́run ẹ gbà wá, baba ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú wa. Alright, and then onto this one. Now so all the Yoruba people come they cry out say you see now this our Gomina say àwọn ọba wa àwọn gómìnà wa àwọn lọ́dà gbogbo yanpanyanrin yìí sílẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa. Now so all of them come they talk one by one say why you come be say all this our governors say they no one do the needful. Why be say all our governors say now because they no one cooperate. Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa àtẹnujẹ ló fẹ́ pa wá báyìí o. Àwọn Fúlàní dẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ́n lórí láyà, wọ́n gbórí wọnú oko wa, wọ́n gbórí wọ ìlú wa, wọ́n wá ń pa àwọn gómìnà wa ní gádínà. Now so they come dey talk, everybody come verse say, you say you see wetin we dey talk, say this Yoruba nation must be achieved, or else many things go spoil it. Now they come dey talk say all the elders where on a day this Fulani people don come outside now, they don talk wetin dey their mind the sense. No wonder wey be say if una tell them say make dem no grace farm for Yoruba land, they go just dey look una, dem go dey yimo. They go dey look una, dem go dey yimo. Say be like say these people they no know wetin dey sup. Now they don come outside, they come clear everybody say like this in case una no know since na wetin dey happen since na im be this. Say this land na their own father land wey be say their father don talk say make dem collect, and then as dem dey so dem go continue to dey kpai people wey be say dem dey drag the land with them. In fact, this one wey dey happen for Yoruba land na him be wetin come dey enter everybody wey be say some people sef dey come dey hear this one for the first time. Now everybody don come outside say ibi táwọn ọba wa ibi tán gbé wa dé rèé o, ibi táwọn ọba wa ibi tán sún wa dé rèé o, ṣẹ́yìn náà rí wọ̀ sí, ṣẹ́yìn náà rí bí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ. Exactly wetin the people come dey talk about. Say this one na very big insult. Say somebody come dey talk say I am not surprised, we must go our separate ways. So because like this we don talk am before, we go talk am again. See, Yoruba nation is a must. And somebody come dey say kò ní bàjẹ́ fún gbogbo àwọn tó bá dúró ṣinṣin fún òmìnira Yorùbá, ọ̀dàlẹ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ni yóò bálẹ̀ lọ àṣẹ́gun. Alright, na so it can be. Anybody wey be say e dey wey be say e no wan get a true mind to follow this Yoruba nation movement, im go follow the land dey go. Now everybody don come outside, come dey say in fact Chief Sunday Igboho, God go continue to strengthen you for all the things wey be say you dey do for Yoruba land. Though some people don't come outside, they come dey talk say forget it. They say that Chief Sunday Igboho na because of money, na him they do that thing. Say na because of position, na him they do wetin they do. Say na because of this, na because of that. No be say he actually love the Yoruba people, but the Yoruba people wey get sense, they can't say Sunday Igboho be say we know wetin dey sup. Sunday Igboho will be say we know say na the love of the people dey in heart. How much money you won't give with Chief Sunday Igboho wey be say in no get it. Well, the truth of the matter now come be so like this, so everybody needs to wake up. Now we be say una don hear waiting the Fulani people they talk about the Yoruba land. They say na them get am. Now we don't talk am before. Everybody, Eji Emasun. Alright, so this one strong. We be say everybody come dey surprise. Say you mean say all those governors, na in Fulani people come outside, they call you say them be gardener. Say they just dey help them, they guard their own land. Say forget, say with the time all of them go come out there. Them will be Fulani people go come take over. Alright, my people, now somebody gonna come out and say let the governor so prove that they are not gardeners. So Fulani are right to Sanwo-Olu, Baba Ola. Okay, according to what somebody thought, say this one they try to talk, say Sanwo-Olu, that means you be a gardener. According to waiting this Fulani people they talk. So now make all of una come outside, make una no let this matter may just sleep, because this one no be small matter at all. Now everybody don't come talk. I'm saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of IPOB, have said it all. He used to call this country zoo. Go and find the definition of zoo. Then you will know if Nnamdi Kanu is right or not. Now everybody don't come to talk say okay, like this. So I think those governors should stand up now and join hands with Yoruba Nation training before it is too late. That one another strong one where be say even myself I can't the reason I say now so it goes supposed to be okay. Now according to Samuel Ajibola, I say well, they have started this land grabbing project since 1804 till date. they were stopped by the Osun gallant warriors. Okay, Amadu Bello was another land grabber who failed. They will continue to fail because of our goodness towards them. Okay, you can imagine wetin dey happen because of our goodness towards them. Dem go continue to fail because this thing wey be say they don put their hand. This one wey be say they don dey clear everybody say na dem get the land. Make all the Yoruba elders, all the Yoruba governors, make them wake up now. Make them support the Yoruba Nation movement because if care is not taken, this one they don clear on am, and so e be unto this one wey be say dem dey talk. Make everybody open im eyes because we no fit allow these people take our land from us. Na so the Yoruba people come dey talk say lè la ojú wálẹ̀ kí tàlùbọ́ kò wọ́. Alright, na so my people, e come be unto this one wey I come say make I let make una know as they ought unto this level. Okay, if this one na your first time wey be say you dey join us on this channel, abeg you make you try make you subscribe to this channel, make una dey share, make una dey like am, make it for reach where e suppose reach unto this level. Until I come on our way next time, I say una bye for now.